Why does your scanner show the P0138 engine code? What does it mean? P0138 is a diagnostic trouble code for O2 sensor circuit high voltage at bank 1 sensor 2. It indicates that the engine control module has detected excessively high voltage from the bank 1 sensor 2 oxygen sensor circuit. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty downstream oxygen sensor. Wiring or connector issues. Rich fuel mixture. Dirty or clogged air filter. Faulty catalytic converter. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Volkswagen, Nissan, Honda, Dodge, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.